Cassian with Instaclustr by NetApp. This is Welcome to Instaclustr, Sign Up and Cluster Creation. Instaclustr provides a managed platform for open source technologies like Apache Cassandra, Apache Kafka, OpenSearch, and more. We enable our customers to build with trusted open source technologies with reliability and scalability as core features. In this video, we'll discuss signing up, the console, and creating your first cluster. You can sign up for Instaclustr using a link on the homepage. You'll be taken to a form where you'll enter a few details and choose a password. Once you've done this, you'll come through to the Instaclustr console. And once you've verified your email address, you'll be ready to use the console and deploy your first cluster. From the console, you can provision, configure, manage, and monitor your clusters in the left pane. You also have access to Instaclustr support from here. Now, to create a cluster. First, click either Create Cluster link in the dashboard. Then, name your cluster. Next, choose the technology that will be deployed on your cluster. Then, choose a version if applicable. Next, choose any add-ons, such as continuous backup, that you wish to add to your cluster. Next, you'll choose an infrastructure provider. Once you have done so, you'll be able to select the data center that you want your cluster hosted in, change the name of your instance, and choose a data center network. You'll choose an instance size next. Note the free tier label, the choice between standard and resizable, and the cost associated with each instance type. The summary will show you the cost of the cluster based on the options you've chosen. If you've chosen a free tier instance with no more than 3 instances in your cluster, you will not be billed until the free trial ends. Once you accept the terms and conditions, you are ready to create your cluster. Click on Create Cluster, and you'll be taken to the details page of your new cluster. In the background, Instaclustr is provisioning instances, installing and configuring software, as well as utilities and management software to keep your cluster running smoothly. The provisioning process takes about 10 minutes, but you will then have an operational cluster. In the next video, we'll learn more about the Instaclustr console. Thanks for watching!